Hello and good afternoon or morning, whichever we're at. We've installed custom fonts, but let's say we are trying to do a paintbrush and we just cannot find the paintbrush that we want. None of these special effects brushes isn't doing it, wet, dry, general brushes. You just can't find something that you want to use. Well, you can first hit this little cog and then under legacy brushes, you can restore your legacy brushes. Now this restores old versions of paintbrushes. See, now Legacy Brushes is active. And it gives me a bunch of options from old versions of Photoshop. However, if we don't have the version of a paintbrush that we want, then we want to go in and find one. So we're going to go to Google. You want to go to Brusheezy, BRUSHEEZY.com. You can look at top brushes, browse by category, you can search. There's a bunch of different, free paintbrushes. I'm sure there's ones that you can pay for as well. But there are a ton of options. So let's just pick one and see what happens. Let's go with splatters and stains. You click the download. Now just like adding custom texts and fonts, you want to go to show in folder. You want to right click, extract all, hit extract, double click. You want to find the ABR file, double click that, and that should activate it in Photoshop. So I'm going to click the drop down, and I should have splatters and stains. So now I can pick a splatter or a stain. Um, when you get brushes like this, a lot of times it's a little bit better to do like rotations. And you can control the brush and change what it's doing a little bit. Mix and match what you're doing. And now I got some splatters and stains. So you can find all sorts of custom brushes that might help you do what you want to do. And that is how you install custom brushes in Photoshop.